Hi, my name is Terry Duff, and I'm the co-founder of America's fastest live continuous home-based business training organization. I recently flew out to beautiful Orlando, Florida for an absolutely stellar marketing event. But most importantly for you, this video is about you, it's not about us. I was able to hunt down Mr. Tony Hewitt, who is one of network marketing's leading home-based business building expert, guru, if you will. Tony, you've been in the business for a long, long time. You know the ins and the outs, what works, what doesn't work. And today, let's talk for just a couple of minutes. I'm going to ask you a couple of very important questions that I think will really benefit the audience and those who are out there watching this short video. And it's really going to be beneficial for them. Mind if I ask you a couple of quick questions?
No, sure, go ahead.
You know, there's a lot of ways to build a business. There's more than one way to skin a cat, so to speak. What do you think separates the top 3 or 4% of income earners in the world of network marketing? If you had to isolate and point out one specific technique that these folks can go out there and start using immediately, what's the most important ingredient that people need to understand when it comes to marketing and growing a home-based business?
Right, that's a really great question. I mean, a lot of people ask me that same question. The single most powerful and effective way of growing a successful business is by positioning you as an expert, okay? Positioning you as a leader, because once you do that and you learn how to do that effectively, you start having people chasing you down and hunting you down for what you're offering, asking you for more information, other than instead of the other way around, which is what most people are doing. So let me give you an example. Let's say you're going out to a restaurant or something, and you sit on the table, and you see the waiter come in, and you see their name tag. It says trainee next to your name. Do you want them to serve your food? Well, of course not, right? You'd rather have an expert, somebody who's been doing that for a while, to serve your food.
No, that's a great explanation, Tony. So basically, kind of in a nutshell, when you become the expert, the leading authority, prospects are approaching you so that you don't have to bug your friends and family, your warm market, write the list, and all those types of things, if you will.
Right.
So now on the flip side of this equation, there's a lot of people out there that are really struggling with growing their businesses. Maybe they're only adding 2 or 3 new distributors per month, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. But at the end of the day, there's a lot of techniques being taught in this great industry that really don't work for the masses, really don't work for the average person. What are some of those techniques that people should really stop doing right now?
Another great question. Now, first of all, this is not a conspiracy, okay? Your companies are not out there to hurt you. They have no intentions of seeing you fail. They're just doing things that are most easiest. It's the most easy and most cost-effective way for the masses. They understand that training costs a lot of money, so that's why they sell you promotional materials like those CDs, DVDs, and things of that nature.
So to make sure I'm understanding this correctly, a lot of companies that are out there, they sell the audios, the DVDs, the cassette tapes, the brochures, all the flyers, and companies generate a large amount of revenues from selling those things. But really the intention, or part of the intention, is with all these associates buy up these products, they pass them out all over the place to friends and families and strangers, or at kiosks at the mall or at the swap meet or whatever they're doing. It ultimately helps the company, but not necessarily the distributor, does it?
No, yeah. It's really good for the company. See, when you do these things, like those 3-way calling, making lists with friends and family, you go to hotel meetings, hosting home parties, those techniques are directly going against what the single most thing we just talked about, the single most effective way of growing your business, which is positioning yourself. When you do these things, you're not really positioning yourself. So, and companies have no intentions of changing what they're doing. They know that, statistically speaking, the average distributor is going to put in about 2.5 people in their downline before they quit. Within, 80% of them probably could quit within 3 months.
Sure. And Tony, you know this industry better than most that are out there, and you've learned really what it takes to grow a big organization. There's a lot of viewers out there that would love to have some information from you on how to build and how to grow their business. If I'm watching this video, if I'm out there from other parts of the country or other parts of the world, where can I go right now to get some rock solid business building information from you?
That's a great question. Now, I've created a free report or study guide that's going to outline exactly the things not to do, okay, what you need to stop doing immediately, as well as the things that you need to do that are mandatory items of growing a successful business. Things like the 3 most powerful forms of marketing that if you're looking to make the 6 or 7 figure income a year, then these are the tools that you absolutely need to make that happen. Now, here's what I need you to do. There's a link to the right of this video, the top right. Go there immediately to get that report.
So that's going to take them to their website. And just so everyone's clear, there's no strings attached. You're not charging $100 or $20 for this information.
It's absolutely free.
No catches, no gimmicks.
No, because Terry, you've really helped me a lot in this process, and you really changed my life. I mean, you've always under-promised and over-delivered, and I really appreciate that, and I feel responsible to give that information to other struggling entrepreneurs and other struggling network marketers that's been in my situation.
No, that's awesome. I appreciate that. I know they're going to appreciate that. This is really your way of kind of passing things along and sharing useful, rock-solid business building information that they can go out there right now and start incorporating.
Absolutely.
Tony, this is absolutely phenomenal. I appreciate you sharing a wealth of information. You're absolutely going to love it. Head over to that website right now. It's directly to the right of this video. Take care. We'll see you on the other side.